Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Neat little graphic, but the main reason for the video is to show you how to make something where you've got everything is in back of the next one. If you duplicated a circle at some point, you're going to have something in the front. So all I did, and I'm just going to redo it, I just took an ellipse. I hit P all the time just out of, I don't know why, I just like it there. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to bring that one in. Then I'm going to Control D again, and that makes it an equal space. Now I am going to hit T like in top, and it put my circles to the top. I'm going to take this outer ring. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, double clicking on the X to get the rotation to that quadrant, and I'm going to rotate it 60 degrees. There's our parts. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to delete this. And I'm going to smart fill. And then I'm going to nudge over. That way I can get rid of my lines without interfering with anything else. So now I'm just, let's take it all and nudge it back. Now let's take this one, and I'm going to do a little bit different colors on this one. I used white, and not really a big fan, but it's kind of, we'll just use those colors. Control D to make a duplicate and put the center rotation of there and rotate it 60 degrees. And that, it didn't work. You know what? Because I don't have it as a group. Let me back up here. Okay, group that together. I don't think I Control D'd. Make a duplicate of it and put it up to that node and rotate it 60 degrees. Now at this time, you could do a couple of things like I did in here to change the colors. So let's ungroup it and let's change the colors. And let's make that one green, that one yellow, that one blue, and this one red. Now group all this together, and I'm not saying you're going to use those colors. I'm going to Control G and I'm going to Control D, and then I'm going to double click on the rotation and put it on that node. But this time I'm going to rotate 120 degrees and then Control D. That's pretty bad looking. I have to admit it myself. I kind of like the white. But you get the idea how you can, if you just took a circle and rotated around with those rings, they're not going to be, this shape will be continued. At some point, you're going to have one circle on top of the other circle. Where it looks like they're all behind, and that is, I do not like that whatsoever, color-wise, but you get the idea how to do it. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.